Hello, you gave me this watch, but I want to know what the present day is. I want to know what Americans think about me and former President Abraham Lincoln's presidencies. Now that we survived through our presidencies, I think that I think I should I think I should be the guy. Let us speak, Mr. Kennedy. The present day is September 2024. Feel free to travel to whatever time you want. I hope you find this information useful. Type in September 2024 and it'll pop up with the current date. Now, I cannot guarantee the time will be correct, but the date will be good. Normally, the closest we've got it to is 10 minutes in the past. That's the closest we've gotten to the modern day. I got a watch of my own. I made two before I gave it to you. Alrighty, bye, Ken. Alrighty, I'm gonna time travel to 2024.